Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp and go to the group where you want to tag everyone. Normally, WhatsApp doesn't have a direct tag everyone button like some other apps. But there is a simple way to do it manually. You can mention each group member by typing the @ symbol and then selecting their name from the list. Keep repeating this until you have tagged all the members you want. If your group is small, this method works perfectly. However, if you have a big group, it can take a little more time. You can use @ everyone to notify all members at once. If you do not see the @ everyone option set, do not worry, just use the manual method by tagging each person with the @ symbol. It still does the job and ensures everyone gets notified. And that's it. Now you know how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.